Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, let's power it off. Now once it shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And when you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. From here, using volume keys, scroll down and select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Then again select yes. As you can see, the process finished, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android once it actually boots fully in. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.